In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a Shopify page. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to provide additional resources, guides, or documentation for your customers. So, let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. You want to be on the main page where all of your store management features are accessible. Once you're in, look over to the left side menu and click on Settings. This is where you can find a variety of admin tools that we'll use to get started. Next, within the Settings section, click on Files. The Files section is essentially your go-to area for managing all the files you upload to your Shopify store. You can upload images, documents, and of course, PDFs. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Upload Files button, usually located at the top right corner. A file browser will pop up, letting you select your desired PDF file from your computer. Wait for it to upload completely. It shouldn't take long, but this will depend on your internet speed and the size of the file. With the PDF uploaded, you'll see it listed among your other files, complete with a URL link next to it. This URL is crucial because you'll use it to direct your page visitors to this PDF. Select the entire URL link and copy it. Keep this handy because you'll need it in just a second. Now, navigate back to the left side menu and click on Online Store. This will be your hub for designing and editing your store's website content. Within the online store, select Pages from the submenu that appears. Here, you can either choose an existing page or create a new one. If you're creating a new page, go ahead and click the Add Page button. Once you're in the page editor, enter your desired title in the title field. The page's name should reflect the content you're going to provide, for example, product guides. In the Content Editor section below the title, decide where you want the PDF link to appear. This could be either in a sentence or as a standalone text. Highlight the text you'd like to turn into a clickable link or write a new line, such as "Download our PDF guide here." Click the Insert Link icon usually found in the editor toolbar. This action will prompt a small pop-up box where you can paste the PDF URL you copied earlier. Paste it in the space provided and click Insert Link or Apply, depending on what your editor displays. Finally, don't forget to review your page for any errors or typos. Once you're satisfied, click Save or Publish if you're ready to make it live. And there you have it. Your PDF is now part of your Shopify page, ready to be accessed by your audience. This simple addition can greatly enhance your customers' experience, offering them valuable content right at their fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!